Warm welcome to EIT Manufacturing BoostUp Competition 2020. We invite you to enjoy a competition between promising startups. They aim to become tomorrow's manufacturing game changers.
So as Europeans, we really need to respond in a timely manner in order to remain competitive in the global economy.
First, welcoming our entrepreneurs, our startups, our SMEs, because they are really the engine of innovation in our ecosystem.
Technology for making a material that looks and works like plastic, but is made from plant.
Our technology is in the manufacturing sensoring market.
Augmented reality and machine learning solutions for large companies.
The infinite 3D printer that can print raw earth and natural waste.
Today we'll see the best of the best.
My name is Emil Johansson and I'm the leader of the EIT manufacturing project SoftDream.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Gianluca Griffi.
Hi, my name is Mary Williams and I'm from Orbis MES in Dublin.
We are redefining the way we interact with machinery and equipment.
Is this not what the future should be holding for us? And that's a big smile there.
I'm speechless.
A surprisingly amazing selection of startups that I would not have expected up front.
We focus on the technological part, on the rationale, and we forget what is at the heart of all of us. It's in the people, the individuals, our relationships, and the resulting ecosystems. Thank you very much.